Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the metal so the etch only attacks the intended areas. Clean the surface with acetone or warm soapy water. Make sure no oils remain because residue blocks the etchant. Next, apply your resist, vinyl, tape, or permanent ink and press edges firmly so solution cannot seep under. Aim for about 0.5 mm overlap beyond the design. Once done, check adhesion, put on nitrile gloves and eye protection, and set the piece on a non-reactive tray to begin the etching process. You now apply the etchant, and the why matters. Different metals need specific chemicals because reaction rates and byproducts vary. For copper, use ferric chloride. For mild steel, a diluted muriatic solution is common. Adhere to recommended concentrations. Pour or brush the etchant evenly over the exposed areas and keep temperature around 20 to 30 degrees C for predictable results. Agitate gently every 5 to 10 minutes to avoid uneven etching. Make sure to inspect under magnifying. You finish by neutralizing and revealing the etched design. Rinse thoroughly with running water, then immerse the part in a baking soda solution to neutralize any remaining acid. This prevents ongoing reaction. Once safe, remove the resist by soaking or mechanical scraping, and polish or patinate the metal to enhance contrast. If the design shows undercutting or ragged edges, make sure to address the cause. Improve resist adhesion, lower etchant concentration, or shorten etching intervals. That correction will dramatically improve future results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.